Raw land, pure opportunity. Will you claim yours before it's gone? Did you know that land is disappearing faster than ever? Developers are snatching up open spaces, prices are rising, and the window to own your own piece of land at an affordable price is closing fast. If you wait too long, you might find yourself priced out, just like many others who thought they had more time. I'm Sebastian, former landlord and now a land investor. And today I want to show you why land has a truly unique value, why smart investors are buying it up, and why you need to act before it's too late. The unique value of land and why it's disappearing is because it's a finite resource. They're not making more of the land. You can always build another house, but you cannot create more land. Every year, open land is being developed, rezoned, and taken off the market forever. Developers, investors are grabbing up land at speed record. Expanding cities and growing demand are pushing prices even higher. What does it mean for you? If you don't act now, what's affordable today might be completely out of reach tomorrow. Every day you wait, the supply shrinks and prices rise. Land is a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Your money in the bank is losing value every day just due to inflation. The cost of everything, housing, food, gas, is rising fast. Land is a real, tangible asset that holds its value over time. Unlike stocks, land doesn't crash in a market downturn. That's why smart investors are putting their money into land now before prices even go higher. The bottom line here is the longer you wait, the more you will pay. And the third reason is land has no depreciation. It becomes more valuable over time. Unlike homes, cars, land doesn't wear out, doesn't break down, or require maintenance. There are no leaky roofs, no repairs, or hidden costs. Just an appreciating asset. And the best thing is you can do whatever you want with it. Of course, within the zoning rules. You can build your dream house, you can use it for camping, you can do RVing, off-grid living, recreation, or you can hold on to it as a long-term investment. And when the demand increases, you can flip it for profit. Why that matters? Because people are realizing land is one of the simplest and safest investments. The best deals are selling fast, and once they're gone for good. You can either wait and watch prices go up, or you can take action today and secure your piece of land before it's too late. If you're ready to make land ownership a reality, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More information to come next week. Remember, they're not making more land, but you can still claim yours today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers!